Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to transform your old cardboard boxes aka cartons into this cute Ottoman with minimal effort and on a budget. Also, as a bonus, I'm going to show you guys how to transform old books into coffee table books that are cute and are going to add pieces to your room. If you want to see how I do that, stay till the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and share with friends. Okay, so we're starting with how this thing was initially in my room. It was just one thing where I just threw in all of the stuff that was hanging in my room. So I decided that I wanted to make it into a cute laundry hamper kind of situation. Then I was like, you know what, let me go more fancy and do an Ottoman. So I went and bought like another cardboard box that was a little bit bigger so that I could use it to make the cover. And as you can see now, I'm just cutting off the excess and I'm trying to shape how I want it to be. The process is actually quite simple. There's like no science behind it. All you have to do is just measure the cardboard box carton and then you start cutting out the excess side. This is going to require a little bit of technical know-how. What I did was I just cut off the excess length, and then I didn't cut the base because it was easier to bend it rather than do a whole new base. And then I went in with some slow tape and then I just did the sides and then I'm cutting off the excess. You will also need somebody to help me, so Daisy was my helper throughout this process. As you can see, I'm just cutting off like the extra ones to make the length of how the length of the cover. And then this is like leftover foam I had from doing my headboard, which I will upload in the future, I think after this one. So I'm just going to cut the foam to the size of the cardboard boxes. I initially wanted the Chanel tufted kind of. I wanted the Chanel tufted look, but it wasn't going to go. I felt miserable at tufting, so I decided to just do like the whole simple thing. I measured again around where I wanted to be, and then I went out and I got more foam because that one was not going to cut it. So now to glue the foam to the cardboard, I decided to use tremendous glue, which is like a really strong bonding glue, but that did not even work. I mean, like it worked but not the way I wanted it to, because I had to like do it immediately and that was a lot of work technically. So I decided to go in with a stapling gun and just staple everything down together. Also, this is fun and all, but stapling guns are going to give you like serious issues after, because my hand was hurting after this video. Like the whole next day I had to hold a cold bottle and hot, like do heat and cold compress. Anyways, I did the top and the bottom, and then this is the top thing I was going for, which I failed miserably at. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to go with like this velvet-ish kind of fabric. Full disclosure, this fabric was cheap, okay? So maybe that's why you can see through like the foam that it's inside. If I saw like an actual velvet fabric that was within my budget, I would have bought it. But the budget for this DIY, I didn't want to go past 5,000 francs, so we're keeping it at under 5,000 francs. Anyways, I'm going in again with the stapler gun and I'm just doing like from underneath. I'm making it neat under there, and then I'm going to tension it and pull it inside, and then like do this. So when that's done, I'm going to cut it out. And also I bought 2 meters of this fabric. I wasted the other meter trying to do the tufted headboard in the middle, so I had to like improvise. And then now to close that part, a good way would be to staple it, but I wanted it to look neat and seamless, so I went in with thread and needle. I first of all pinned it down to keep it in place, and then I went in with thread and needle and just sewed everything down, and it really looks seamless. I like the job. It wasn't looking, what's the word, it wasn't looking made and everything. So this is what we have now, and then I'm going to do the under part because I want it to be durable. Like I want it to be solid, and also I don't want like the under thing to unroll or whatever. So I'm just going to go in and staple all of the sides together to the main carton, as you can see me doing in this video. Again, I was having so much fun with this thing that I was just doing the most. So if like maybe it was because I wasn't handling it properly, I don't know. When I complained to my mom, she says because I wasn't using it well. I don't know how you're supposed to use it except just point and glue. But anyways, this is what we have. It's looking nice and cute or whatever. So as you can see, there's like a plus sign on my thing. That is what I was going to use to do the tufts, because at the end of the day I wanted the top to look really really cute. So I was going to do a tuft whether it was going to work or not. And yeah, so I basically did the tuft, and then I'm going to put these small rhinestone things in the middle. I should have gotten the big dramatic ones, but again I was like, let me just do really low key. After all, it's not making that much of a difference, but it's making a difference. I don't know if you get me. Yeah, so this is what we have right now, and this is what it looks like at the end. It's actually coming together quite nicely, if you ask me. The only thing that I would like to change is like the fabric at the top. I would like for that dividing not to be there, and that's that. So for the coffee books, I have like these old books that I have been saving. There were souvenirs from some wedding in 2019 or 18, I don't know. Yeah, and then my uncle's old maths book. I designed the book covers myself on Illustrator. It was rough, okay, and I didn't even do it properly because the book covers were bigger, so I had to add like cardboards in the books to make it fit. So this is what it looks like in the end. If you want like a detailed tutorial, let me know, and I'll probably do one on my Instagram because it's actually very simple. But if you want on YouTube, sure. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys the finishing touches I did inside. I initially wanted to cover all of the cardboard, but I was like, nah, I'm just going to go ahead and cover the staples that I've done with ribbon, and it looked really cute. So yeah, it's just me filling the box up back with random stuff. Well, this fabric of dresses that I'm trying to sew, and then you just cover it, and as you can see, it makes like a very big difference. And then when you go ahead and put like your coffee table books on, please please please, you are on a roll. So this is what it looks like in the end. I kept it under 5,000 francs, and I really really love it. I just threw in some candles, and yeah, this is a look. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. As always, I love you guys. Follow me on my social media. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.